Are you trying to decide between a DIY fountain and something designed uniquely for your space? You unsure which one would be the best fit for you? In this video, we're going to show you a DIY project that one of our clients decided to have us transform into a custom boulder fountainscape. And by the end of this video, you'll know why they made the choice to upgrade and which of those features would have been the right choice for you. All right, guys, so let's set the stage with what these clients had when I walked up on day one. So they had two existing fountainscapes, a couple feet in between them. They were pre-formed basins that were in there. They had the smaller pumps, plumbing, and they had these faux rocks on top. So they were definitely the DIY kits is what were installed this area, with just the gravel skirt around the outside, and everything that falls within that basin is the splash catch. That's it. After owning these fountainscapes for 2 to 3 years, there were a little bit of issues that the homeowners themselves really didn't feel like addressing or dealing with. So amongst those issues, there were leaves clogging up some of the gravel. It was a little more maintenance. They weren't willing to grub the leaves and stuff, so the gravel was clogging. It was causing the pumps to burn out. Both of the fountainscapes were actually the identical DIY kits, so the rocks looked the exact same. And after a short period of time of being installed, it began to look very unnatural because they should not look the exact same as stones. So it turns out these guys weren't exactly as DIY as they thought they were. What they really wanted was something that wasn't out of the box. They wanted a one-of-a-kind natural stone fountainscape with higher water flow, larger reservoirs so you don't have to fill it as often. Really, they wanted as little maintenance as possible and something that was unique. So the DIY fountainscape might be the best fit for you if some of the most important deciding factors are a low initial upfront cost, you're not afraid to get your hands dirty and do a little bit of maintenance on this thing, a little more frequent filling, so going back to the maintenance side of things, as well as easy to install and easy to get your hands on. A custom fountainscape might be the better choice for you if you're not worried about a higher initial investment so that you can guarantee that you're going to have minimalistic maintenance and a one-of-a-kind work of art in design, as well as more permanence, so this thing is going to last. For these homeowners, it was an obvious choice. They did not mind the initial investment. They knew exactly what they wanted, which was something they weren't going to have to be hands-on with all the time. They wanted something that was unique and it wasn't out of the box, so this was definitely the best fit for them. At this point, you should know everything that you need to know in order to make an informed decision on whether a DIY or a custom fountainscape is the best choice for you. If you want to have a conversation about this, or if you need more information in regards to fountainscapes, we're going to put the links in the comments section below.